exposure. I have no idea what I'm doing.
I'm getting back in the van. I'm headed out on the highway.
As far as the tools and hardware needed for this van build, at least mine, this is it. This is all I used. And those scissors over there. This cost me, we'll call it 20 bucks. The hardware, this lock here, this was, call it 5. These handles, call it 4. That little basket there, that was like 5 bucks. And the hinges, I think it was like 4. Call it 20. Everything else was just from scrap pallets that I found. Built those doors, put them together, backsplash, the little mini bar dividers. The plywood and the subfloor, that cost me under 30 bucks. Peel and stick, got like 4 boxes of it. This cost me around $80. The trim cost me around $25. This part, Jesus, this was like 15 bucks. These are all the cutouts that cover up the windows for privacy and a little bit of climate control. I put them together with some Reflectix and fabric from Joann's. Cost me about $75. I'm gonna get some super glue and tighten up those edges, but it works really, really well. Yeah. The white LED stick-on lights from Lowe's, $35. Nifty, nifty. Guess who's thrifty? As far as paint costs, I got a gallon of this blue, around 40. We'll round up to 40. 2 cans of orange spray paint for $8. 1 can of this like sand dune almond whatever for $4. For the bed frame, I used some really thin plywood, but I braced it with fence posts. Used some, I think these are 2x4s. Once again, I have no idea what I'm doing. No idea what I'm talking about. Bed frame and everything, 40 bucks.